So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. I want to show us how I traded GBP today, April 28th, 2026. So, guys, this market was, as you can see on my previous videos, I had this setup on my previous videos where I mapped out this place as our liquidity pool. Sorry, I did not indicate it. I already know everything, so I just like put my listing. So as we all say, market is on a bullish trend. Look at our 1 hour time frame. Market is on a bullish trend. This was like a rally before market went up, and there's another buy order block here on our 30 minutes too. So this was the last demand zone the market was to break structure here. So all these, like I said in our other markets, all these were just retracement. As you can see now, I'm on the buy on the market, but I did not enter the buy market. The reason I did not enter the buy market is that I already placed a sell on here. My initial plan was to buy on this market, but I already placed a sell on here, so that is why I did not enter this market. So let me share with us how I traded the market. So after market caused the break of structure here to the upside here, so this was the last structural high here. So market took out this place, this last structural high with just a week. So markets went on to cause something like, let's say this was our last break of structure. Markets went to cause something like a market shift. So I did my analysis, and as you can see, there were a lot of supply zone that are yet to be swept here. This entire place. This was the last load that came to break structure here. So market went back, mitigated it, went to cause another break of structure again. Market went back, create another lower high here, went to break structure again. So market retraced back to that liquidity pool here. This is a liquidity pool right here, because this high right here took out the previous high before coming back down to break structure. So that was why I had to take myself from there. You might be wondering why my stop loss is this wide. It was because of network. Yes, it was because of network, because initially my entry was after this place. So I was supposed to have like sometimes I put it on, because there will be a fair value gap here. So I used to put it on half of this place, just like this. But my stop loss got wide because of network time. So that was it. So like I said, we already have some supply zone here. As you can see, price come back, mitigated this place, went on to break structure, went back to it again, created various liquidity here. As you can see, that's why when you are trading, you have to like open your eyes, you learn from the market, you listen to what the market is telling you. So that was what happened right here. So in this market, we can see that this was the last break of structure. This was our last break of structure here, right here. Our last break of structure right here. Let me try to do this. So this was our last lower high that came to break structure here. So immediately price broke to protected lower high here. So I have to like mark a sharp market shift. So that was what brought by this buy that I set here. That was exactly what brought this buy I set here, but I did not enter the market because I already traded this. So that is why. So we already have our market shift here. We have a break of structure here, break of structure to the upside too. So we have liquidity enough liquidity here. So price came, swept the demand zone here, and then pull back up. This was our liquidity pool, just like we have to see. But I did not enter this market. And reason is that I was still on this market when this triggered. So I waited for this market to reach the peak before anything. So I could not enter it again as we are past the London session, and we are past the London session. So that's why I didn't enter. So probably tomorrow